Stop right there. That disgusting mud-covered rock you're about to toss back into the river? It could be worth thousands of dollars. Every single day, amateur rockhounds and weekend prospectors are throwing away fortune-bearing stones because they look like absolute garbage. We're talking about 10 specific ugly rocks that hide natural diamonds in plain sight, and the chances are high that you've kicked past several of them on your last hiking trip without giving them a second glance. Here's what the diamond industry desperately doesn't want you to know. Rough diamonds don't sparkle, they don't gleam. They don't catch the light like those brilliant cut gems you see in jewelry stores. Natural diamonds look like greasy pebbles, like worthless clay, like volcanic trash that belongs in a landfill. And that's exactly why most people walk right past them. But here's where it gets absolutely wild. Some of these ugly rocks don't just contain diamonds, they are the delivery system that brought diamonds up from 100 miles beneath your feet. These rocks traveled through the Earth's mantle at temperatures exceeding 2,000 degrees, riding volcanic eruptions that happened millions of years ago. And right now, they're sitting in rivers, streams, and hiking trails, waiting for someone who knows what they're looking at. In this video, I'm going to reveal the complete identification system for all 10 rock types that hide diamonds, plus the exact field testing methods that separate professional gemstone hunters from beginners who go home empty-handed. I'm talking about visual identification techniques, strategic location targeting, hands-on testing protocols you can perform with less than $30 worth of equipment, and the advanced recognition skills that will completely transform how you see rocks. Your next river panning trip, your next hiking adventure, even your next walk through a gravel parking lot could change everything if you know what to look for. People have found legitimate gem-quality diamonds in their own backyards after learning this information. But before we dive into these 10 ugly rocks that everyone throws away, smash that subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future gemstone hunting content. Rock number 1, fresh Kimberlite, the diamond source. Fresh Kimberlite holds 90% of discovered diamonds. This rock displays distinctive blue-gray to greenish-gray coloring, never black like basalt. Its texture appears saccharoidal, granular, like compressed wet sand, immediately recognizable once identified. Your identification checklist: first, observe the blue-gray or greenish-gray color. Second, spot visible mineral inclusions: green olivine, red to purple garnet, and mica, creating speckled patterns. Third, notice the abnormal weight. Genuine Kimberlite feels 20–30% heavier than similarly sized volcanic rock. The definitive field marker: freshly broken surfaces reveal subtle metallic luster, absent on weathered exteriors. This combination appears in no other volcanic rock. Rock number 2, weathered Kimberlite, yellow ground. The clay Impostor. Beginners discard this daily, mistaking it for worthless clay. Yellow ground is chemically weathered. Kimberlite and diamonds survive this weathering perfectly intact. This material displays yellow to rusty brown coloring, crumbles easily, and mimics clay. However, when wet, it feels distinctly soapy or greasy, never sticky like true clay. Despite appearing lightweight, it carries surprising heft. Your identification checklist: first, test the soapy, greasy texture when moistened. Second, locate small, resistant mineral fragments: garnets, chrome diopside, and heavy minerals embedded throughout. Submerge your sample in a water bucket and gently break it apart. The clay-like material dissolves, releasing heavy minerals and potential diamonds. Rock number 3, Lamproite, the dark horse nobody expects. Even experienced prospectors overlook Lamproite. Yet Australia's legendary Argyle mine, one of history's most productive diamond sources, is pure Lamproite. Lamproite appears darker than Kimberlite, ranging from dark gray to jet black. Its texture is finer and smoother, lacking Kimberlite's sugary appearance, but features prominent phenocrysts, larger visible crystals scattered throughout. Your identification checklist: first, observe the significantly darker coloring. Second, note the fine texture with visible phenocrysts. Third, feel the pronounced soapy, greasy surface texture on weathered areas. Fourth, confirm substantial weight matching Kimberlite's density. Fifth, the key identifier: locate distinctive shiny mica plates catching light when rotated. Rock number 4, Eclogite Xenoliths, the green-red mystery. Even experienced collectors discard Eclogite Xenoliths, deep crustal rock fragments carried upward during kimberlite eruptions. These rocks don't just indicate diamond presence, they sometimes contain embedded diamonds from extreme formation depths. Eclogite displays distinctive green to reddish coloring, often both hues in one specimen. Its texture appears dense and crystalline, resembling metamorphic rocks like gneiss. Rock number 5, Peridotite nodules, the mantle messengers. Peridotite nodules are literal Earth's mantle chunks from 60 to 100 miles deep, transported by volcanic forces powerful enough to breach the entire crust, the same activity delivering diamonds surfaceward. These appear as dark green to black lumps, commonly mistaken for ordinary volcanic rock. They're extremely dense, primarily olivine composed, often displaying slightly rusty surfaces from olivine oxidation exposure. Rock number 6, serpentinized peridotite, serpentinite, the slippery deceiver. Serpentinite forms when peridotite encounters water and heat, transforming olivine into serpentine minerals and completely altering the rock's character. Serpentinite develops softer texture with distinctive yellow-green to dark green coloring and immediately recognizable silky or greasy luster. The texture appears scaly, fibrous, or smooth, always featuring characteristic slippery feel explaining its name. Why serpentinite matters? It frequently occurs at kimberlite pipe margins or within lamproite intrusion alteration zones. Finding serpentinite indicates proximity to diamond-bearing volcanic formations breadcrumbs leading toward the source. Rock number 7, alluvial gravel concentrates, the mixed treasure box. Beginners discard alluvial gravel concentrates, mixed river and stream sediments near diamond sources as ordinary gravel. Yet this ordinary material represents thousands of years of natural hydraulic sorting, with heavy minerals concentrated by water flow doing the diamond concentration work for you. Recognizing productive material is key. Productive concentrates display unusual heavy mineral abundance. Garnets, chrome diopside, ilmenite, black metallic grains, and sometimes diamonds. Multiple indicator minerals together signal potentially diamond-bearing territory. Rock number 8, Volcaniclastic Breccia, the explosive mix. Volcaniclastic Breccia is a rock type that forms from explosive volcanic eruptions, the exact same eruptions that bring kimberlite and lamproite to the surface. This rock consists of angular fragments of various materials, cemented together by volcanic ash or finer particles. It looks chaotic, like random rock fragments stuck together. There's no uniform texture or color. But that chaotic appearance is exactly what you're looking for, because it indicates violent volcanic activity capable of bringing up deep source material. Rock number 9, Olivine-Rich basalt, the common impostor. Olivine-Rich basalt looks remarkably similar to kimberlite at first glance, which is exactly why it fools so many beginners. This dark volcanic rock contains visible green olivine crystals and feels heavy. Olivine basalt is much harder overall, lacks that distinctive metallic luster on broken surfaces, and doesn't contain the indicator mineral suite that kimberlite does. Basalt is significantly harder than kimberlite. If your rock is extremely hard and difficult to scratch, it's probably basalt, not kimberlite. Rock number 10, Mica schist with garnet, the metamorphic fakeout. The final rock that gets mistaken for diamond-bearing material is garnet mica schist. This metamorphic rock contains abundant garnets and has a foliated, layered texture with visible mica flakes. At quick glance, especially in stream gravels, it can resemble weathered kimberlite. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I've got more gemstone hunting content coming that you absolutely don't want to miss. We're talking sapphires, emeralds, opals, and other valuable stones that people overlook every single day. Now get out there and start looking at rocks differently. That ugly stone everyone else ignores? It might just be your ticket to something incredible. Happy hunting, and I'll see you in the next video.